Delhi has not been a surprise for the BJP at all. It's the third time it is sweeping the state completely. It's won all 7 seats, and the margins are very comfortable right now. So there's no chance of a late evening surprise either. Uh, the BJP had this year, decided to switch almost all of its candidates. It went only with Manoj Tiwari in the Northeast Delhi seat, which a decision that seems to have gone its way completely. Uh, the AAP and the Congress alliance, though, uh, there seems to be an increase in their combined vote share, and BJP's vote share for now seems slightly below what they got in 2019, which was 56% then. But for the BJP, for the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress alliance here, I think it brings disappointment because even within the party and the conversations were essentially about how at least 3 seats they were expecting from the electorate in Delhi. While Aam Aadmi Party seems to have gained some amount of vote share overall, the Congress has seen a dip. It means that while the Aam Aadmi Party's vote share does not seem to have really moved towards the Congress, the other, the vice versa has happened. A lot of Congress vote share in these elections has moved towards the Aam Aadmi Party. But a disappointing result for the alliance, for sure.
Right, Rahul, you were saying something.
Malika, before you joined us, Arun was telling us about how, some things are seen on social media that may not necessarily be true on the ground. So I think Kanhaiya seems to be one of those stories, where every time you would log in, it would seem like he's going to sweep this seat, but I don't think it was a very close contest.
Yeah, so the Kanhaiya and Manoj Tiwari contest was one of the most, closely looked at, closely watched contest in Delhi because they are both very popular and very famous in their own ways. Manoj Tiwari is now a 3-time MP, and he's been winning the seat comfortably for all of these years. Kanhaiya was seen as a Purvanchali face that could counter him in the city and in that seat. But he seems to be losing by quite a few votes. The margin is quite large over there. They also did their campaigns. Their campaigns are very different. While Manoj Tiwari did a lot of big rallies, several senior BJP leaders and ministers were a part of his campaign through the month through the month of a long, intense campaign. Kanhaiya's campaign was a little more, low-key, I would say. He focused a lot on areas with, migrant population, a lot of auto drivers and, migrant laborers. But finally, it seems that the contest between them eventually boiled down to 2 things. An outsider versus Manoj Tiwari, who is now being seen as an insider in Delhi. And also the whole narrative of the Tukde gang, it did make a difference. It did give BJP an upper hand, this mandate shows.